Mm. Do you like the sweet potatoes? Mm. Is that a yum?
What are you looking at me for?
She said, I know where the camera's at.
Hi, sweetie.
Do you like them? Yeah. You want more? Yummy.
I like those better than the avocados.
So it's an avocado that she's going to have tomorrow morning. She'll have avocado in the morning and sweet potato in the afternoon.